Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Ram, and today I'm gonna share with you my experience with the CO2 fractional laser treatment. This is actually my third session. You can check out my first and second ones if you're curious about how things have been going. Alright, let's jump right into it. Here's how my legs look after two sessions. They may appear almost flawless at first glance, but they really are not. That's just the front view, which has not really been a major concern for me. The real concern is the scars on the back of my legs. So here's a close up of the scars on the back of my legs after two sessions. Guys, I'll be honest with you. The results from the CO2 fractional laser haven't quite satisfied me yet. I've only noticed a small improvement after two sessions. So I guess I really need to be more patient and keep in mind that these scars have been there for more than 20 years. So let's do it. Join me as I go through my third session. Now guys, isi-share ko sa inyo yung hindi ko malilimutan sa session na ito. In most of my previous sessions, the waiting time for the anesthesia to take effect was around 40 minutes. But this time, it was only 30 minutes. And this 30-minute was not quite enough for the kind of energy level of the laser used on my legs. And I must say, masakit siya. Now, you might ask why I didn't wait longer. The reason is we ran out of time. And honestly, it was completely my fault. I arrived late just before their closing time. That is why I ended up starting the laser earlier than I expected. So, ayun, lesson learned, hindi na ako magbubook ng last hours kasi apektado both client and the staff. Anyway, my previous sessions were very tolerable, but this one, pinawisan yung buong mukha ko sa pagtitiis ng sakit ng laser. One of the factors why I had to endure that kind of pain is because we started the session too early. Hindi pa fully effect yung anesthesia. Plus, nagdagdag kami ng energy level. So, doble talaga yung discomfort na na-experience ko. Wala na. Yun lang banda. This is how my scars look after my third session. And this is also the first time they used a smaller grid on me. I honestly preferred the bigger grid because it could cover larger scars. But yeah, why not give the smaller one a try, right? So, ayan, as you can see, sobrang pula ng lasered area compared sa previous. Actually, brown na siya eh. At first, kinabahan talaga ako sa itsura niya after getting lasered kasi sobrang dark talaga. Alam niyo yung parang nasusunog talaga siya. But now, with proper care, medyo naglight na siya and I am seeing improvements.